Hello, my name is Jennifer and welcome to a new studio vlog. This one is filled with a lot of painting and I actually forgot to do an intro, so that's why I am doing a voiceover. So I've had this sketchbook sitting around my studio for a while and I've been meaning to finish it, but I started it about 4 years ago and my art just doesn't look like that anymore, and it made me feel kind of uninspired every time I opened it. And I know it's a little bit silly because they're just drawings and they're drawings that I did, but it was just not a sketchbook that I felt like working on. So I decided to just paint over each drawing that was in there, and every page is a different color, and I did that in order to hopefully feel inspired to work with different color palettes and to just kind of take myself out of my comfort zone. I just didn't want the sketchbook to go to waste, so this was just kind of my idea of trying to reuse it, and it's working for now, so that's pretty nice. I decided that I want to mainly work with painting in here. I don't want to really use this as a quote-unquote ugly sketchbook, and even though the paintings, they don't have to be perfect, and I'm not necessarily trying super hard on making everything make sense, I am still wanting to make sure that everything in here is painted, just because I feel like I don't give myself enough room to explore with mark making when it comes to painting. Usually I just kind of have an idea for a painting and I get the canvas or the paper and I just kind of go for it and hope for the best, and I just kind of want to have a little bit more room for exploration. So that's what this is. It's a safe space for me to do just that, and I started the first few pages in a really fun way, and I'm really happy with the way that it has started out, so hopefully that will set it up for success. It's just a sketchbook, it's for exploring, but I like to have fun and I like to be able to look back through it and see things that make me happy, and so far that's what I have in here, so that's really nice. I am not going to talk too much more, and I'm going to let you watch me do some painting and enjoy the rest of the vlog. I do a lot of painting, like I said, outside of the sketchbook, and in my sketchbook I'm also going to do a bit of a studio makeover and a couple of other things that are new to me, so I'm really excited to share it with you, and I hope you enjoy this one. So I had started this painting a while back, and yesterday I finally finished it, and I'm so happy with the way that it came out. The lighting isn't the best right now, but it's so pretty. I also have this one that I started when I started that one that I haven't finished, so I'm gonna sit and hopefully work on getting this one done. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So I made this paper cut yesterday and I am completely obsessed. So I am trying it again. This time it's going to be like a flower vase, but I'm going to not transfer it to the paper and glue it and hope it comes out pretty much in the same kind of composition, but we'll see. This is seriously so fun. I have been wanting to try this for a while and finally decided to go for it after watching a couple of Matisse documentaries, and I am having so much fun just picking up the paper and cutting it in whatever shapes I want and not really thinking of perfectionism or anything that needs to be in any kind of way. I'm just doing it and filling it until it feels like it's balanced and looks good. So that's what this one is. I have to do some trimming, but I want to do it when I'm going to put it on there to make sure they're not going to be too short. But yeah, I'm gonna transfer these to the paper now. Just wanted to show them because I'm obsessed. I've been very obsessed with paper cut illustrations for quite a while, and it's actually been something that I've been wanting to try, and for some reason I just hadn't, but I finally decided that it was time to do so, and honestly I don't see myself stopping anytime soon. I bought more paper that is a little bit better quality than this construction paper. I also want to find a better glue that will stick more than this one is, but for now this is super fun and I can't wait to explore in this medium a lot more. I love finding new ways to explore with my creativity. I love painting and I love drawing, but I know that it's really important to get out of the comfort zone and do things that you normally wouldn't, and for me that's what paper cutting is, and I can't wait to do more with it. So it's Friday and today I have a mural job, and it's a window mural, so it's a little bit more simple, but I've been wanting to do one like this for a while, and the store is super cute. We shop there often. I love the owner. They've actually bought for me wholesale, so that's super cool that I've had my oopsie daisy stuff in that store, and now my art is going to be pretty much displayed there. So I'm going to do a window and 2 mirrors, so that's going to be pretty cool. So I'm in the studio and I think it's time for a makeover. So I've been cleaning everything up. This was full of stuff and I've been moving it around and organizing it in different spots, and I'm going to just move everything around and make it make a bit more sense because it's a mess in here. I don't like it. I don't feel inspired, and that's a problem because this is the space where I'm supposed to feel super inspired and want to create stuff, and since it's not right now, we need to fix that.